How to order GCASH card. Scroll down, click Profile and My Linked Accounts. Click GCASH MasterCard and Order. Of course, I want it to be delivered at home. The amount to be paid is 215 Philippine pesos. Input your personal details. Time to pay. Wait or click. Proceed. Yay, order successful. Let's wait for 10 days. Text confirmation. 5 days later. It came earlier than expected. Yay, I got it! Just follow the steps. I just linked it to my account. Time to use the card. Yep, I need to withdraw some cash. Entering PIN code. Processing. Yay, successful. Withdrawal. Philippine pesos fee for the withdrawal. I thought it's free lol. Thanks for watching.